humming noise from front four-wheel drive axle. If the backlash between crown and pinion is more than specified, then there will be a humming noise from the front four-wheel drive axle. To overcome this noise, adjust the backlash and by proper preloading of crown and pinion. If the noise continues, then ensure that the contact pattern is proper between crown and pinion. Adjust the contact pattern and by proper preloading of crown and pinion. In case the teeth of planetary gears are worn out or pitted, it may also cause the humming noise. Check the planetary gears and replace them.